NFL free agency has started, and there's a lot of NFL teams making trades, a lot of teams signing people through free agency, re-signing players, placing franchise tags on players. So let's jump in on like what everyone is doing like right now and what they've done over like the past few days. Because like I have a problem with some of this, but let's jump into it. So Buffalo got DJ Moore. They traded for DJ Moore last week with the Bears. They re-signed Connor McGovern. They re-signed Sam Franklin. The Dolphins released Tua Tagovailoa today, and they signed Malik Willis 3 years, $67.5 million deal. The Patriots got Draymond Jones for 3 year on a 3-year deal. The Jets placed a franchise tag on Breece Hall. They signed in Demario Davis. They also got Mika Fitzpatrick from the Dolphins in a trade today that the New York Jets did. As a Bronco fan, I want the Broncos to trade for Garrett Wilson from the Jets, but that's probably not going to happen. The Ravens traded Isaiah Likely to the Giants. They re-signed Tyler Huntley. They signed Max Crosby last week. They traded for Max Crosby last week. Cincinnati, they're trying to get Brian Cook. They re-signed Jalen Davis. The Texans got David Montgomery in a trade last week. They're re-signing Dalton Schultz. They re-signed Danielle Hunter. The Browns, in a trade, they got Titus Howard from the Texans. The Steelers traded with the Colts to get Michael Pittman. I would have loved to see Michael Pittman on the Broncos, but Broncos didn't do anything. They also re-signed Asante Samuel Jr. And the Colts placed a transition tag on Daniel Jones. The Colts are re-signing Alec Pierce, and they traded Xavier Walker. So I forgot who he went to, but that's what the Indianapolis Colts did. So like I say, the Broncos really didn't do anything but re-sign their same players, which is pissing me off. They re-signed J.K. Dobbins for on a 2-year deal. They brought back Alex Singleton. They lost John Myers. He went to the Titans. They re-signed Justin Sternad. They released Greenlaw, which I don't like that. The Chiefs got Super Bowl MVP Kenneth Walker. They traded Trent McDuffie. They re-signed Travis Kelce on a 1-year deal. So the Chiefs making moves. The Chargers brought back Khalil Mack. They signed a 3-year extension with their defensive tackle. The Raiders, like I said, the Raiders traded Max Crosby to the Ravens, but the Raiders made some trades too. The Giants got Isaiah Likely from the Ravens. The Cowboys re-signed Javonte Williams. They placed their franchise tag on George Pickens. They put their restricted free agent tender on Brandon Aubrey. The Commanders, they re-signed Marcus Mariota. They re-signed Jeremy Tunzel. The Eagles are Jordan Davis. They gave him a contract extension. So the NFC East really haven't been making a move. Like I said, the Chicago Bears, they traded away DJ Moore. They're signing Kobe Bryant to the safety 3-year deal, $40 million. The Lions traded David Montgomery. Devin Bush is signing with the Bears. I said Xavier Franklin. It was Zaire Franklin. The Packers traded for Zaire Franklin from the Colts. Nick Folk is signing with the Falcons. Tua Tagovailoa is signing a 1-year deal with the Falcons. Austin Hooper is signing a 1-year deal with the Falcons. The Falcons placed the franchise tag on Kyle Pitts. The Vikings, James Pierre signing a 2-year deal with them. They re-signed Eric Wilson. The Vikings really didn't make it. Haven't really made any splashes yet in free agency. The Panthers re-signed, or not re-signed, but they're signing Kenny Pickett. The Saints got Travis Etienne from the Jaguars. I wanted the Broncos to get Etienne or Breece Hall, but like I said, the Broncos haven't really did anything yet. The Buccaneers traded Mike Evans, who's been in Tampa Bay for like 9-12 years, something like that. They traded him to the 49ers. They're also re-signing Cade Otton on a 3-year deal. They're signing Kenneth Gainwell, Tampa Bay is. The Cardinals are signing Gardner Minshew. They're signing Tyler, the running back from the Falcons. He's going to the Cardinals. Like I said, the Rams traded the Chiefs for Trent McDuffie. They're re-signing Tyler Higbee. They signed Jalen Watson to a 3-year deal, cornerback. And like I said, the 49ers traded to get Mike Evans from on a 3-year deal after leaving the Buccaneers. And the Seahawks, they lost Kenneth Walker, and they're re-signing Rashid Shaheed, and they're re-signing Joshua Jobe or Joby, I don't know. But like I said, you got all of these teams making deals. Chiefs trading for Kenneth Walker, who was just Super Bowl MVP. Then you got other teams like the 49ers getting Mike Evans from the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. It's just so many teams making moves. The Rams trading to get Trent McDuffie from the Chiefs. Like, teams are making moves in the free agency. The Ravens trading from the Raiders to get Max Crosby. It's just so much going on. Chiefs bringing back Travis Kelce for his 14th season. These are some of the big names. David Montgomery leaving the 49ers. Leaving the Lions to go to the Texans. DJ Moore getting traded from the Bears to the Bills. Josh Allen finally got a number 1 receiver to throw the ball to. Isaiah Likely leaving the Ravens to go to the Giants. So that'll help Jackson Darnold. Rashid Shaheed staying with the Seahawks after winning the Super Bowl with them. Blankenship from the Eagles, he's going to the Texans now. So the Texans are making moves on the offensive side and on the defensive side. Michael Pittman being traded from the Indianapolis Colts to the Pittsburgh Steelers. I don't know what that's really going to do if Aaron Rodgers is still throwing the ball at 42 years old. Even the Saints are making moves. The Saints signing Travis Etienne. I don't know what the Broncos are doing. I don't know if they're going to try to get Alvin Kamara. But this is what the Broncos did. J.K. Dobbins is a good running back, but he gets hurt every year. He don't play full seasons. That's my problem with signing J.K. Dobbins. Then you re-sign Justice Sternad and Alex Singleton. These are not big moves. The Broncos are making it seem like they won the Super Bowl or something. They don't really need to go out and get anybody. Drake Greenlaw was a good linebacker. He was just injured too much, but they're releasing him. The Broncos' problem is they can't cover. They re-signed Adam Trautman. As a Bronco fan, I am waiting to see that the Broncos got somebody. When are we gonna get somebody? This is what it looks like. We're waiting. Do something. What are you gonna do? At least when John Elway was the GM, he did stuff. What is George Payton doing? What is Sean Payton doing? Like, what are they doing? Like, go get a real receiver. No disrespect to Cortland Sutton. I don't think anybody looks at Cortland Sutton makes damn good catches. He's a good ass receiver. But I don't think anybody looks at Cortland Sutton like, yeah, man, that's really a top 10 threat. Like, he not Mike Evans. He not Puka Nacua. He not Justin Jefferson, Jamar Chase. Hell, he not even AJ Brown, which I do not want. I do not want the Broncos to even entertaining signing AJ Brown. AJ Brown has a horrible attitude. He's a diva wide receiver. And with a young quarterback like Bo Nix, you don't need... Like, AJ Brown is frustrated with, and they won the Super Bowl. Like, why would you want somebody like that on your team? But let me know in the comment section, like, what do you think about NFL free agency so far? Are you liking it, loving it? Is your team making any moves? Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like a comment. More videos coming soon. Trey T out. Peace.